Hey everybody, just doing a quick video showing how I do peppermint seeds instead of doing them in 6-packs and then transplanting them. I just take an old pot from last year, kind of work up the soil a little bit, put my seeds in, and then I'm going to sprinkle some seed starting mix over the top. And you'll see me here in just a second. I'm going to cover it with I think it's a gallon size storage bag. Water it good, tuck the bag around, and then I just set it on the porch, and Mother Nature will tell it when to sprout. And this method works wonderfully for a whole lot of herbs, your greens, lots and lots of types of plants do really well this way. I think that they call it on the internet winter sowing or some fancy name. It's letting Mother Nature do its job. Thanks for watching.